Indian fighter jets aren't just machines. They're thunder in the sky. The Sukhoi 30 MKI can spot an enemy 400 kilometers away and shoot without being seen. Tejas, India's homemade jet, is so light and fast, even radar struggles to track it. And Rafale? It can strike targets at 3,700 kilometers without refueling. In 2019, India's Mirage 2000 jets struck deep inside enemy territory in just minutes. These aren't just jets. They're India's flying fists. Enemies fear the sky when India flies. Subscribe to FactsX for real power facts.